How to turn off read recipient on Signal. Are you facing issues to turn off read receipts on Signal? If that's so, then this video might help you out. Without further ado, let's dive into the video. To turn off read receipt on Signal app, open the application and log in into your account with your registered email and password. As soon as you get logged in, tap on your profile icon which is located at the top left corner. Then go to Privacy. Scroll down until you see the option called Read Receipts. This feature shows the double check marks when someone reads a message and lets the other see when you have reads. To disable it, just tap the toggle next to Read Receipts to turn it off. Once it's off, people won't know when you have read their messages and you won't see them either. It's perfect if you prefer more privacy in your chats. And if you are not sure how to complete any of these steps, make sure to check out all the videos on this channel for full guidance. And that's it guys, that's how we're going to turn off read receipts on Signal app. I'll catch you in the next one. Bye bye.